what's up? It's Crafty Cactus. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a homemade pom-pom rug. In one of my last tutorials I taught you guys how to make these pom-poms, so today I'm going to be showing you something that you can do with them. Let's get on to the supplies. The first supply that you will be needing are the pom-poms. You're going to need as many of these to cover the rug surface that you want. The next supply you will be needing is a rug stopper. You can buy these rug stoppers at your local supermarket or craft store. They're things that go under rugs to help them stay in place and not slide around. The last thing you will be needing is scissors. Let's get on to the video. The first thing you will be needing is to take your pom-pom that you want to use first and find the area on your rug that you want to tie it. Now, for mine, I'm going to start right up here, and I am going to take my two ends, my two longer ends that I have set out. Make sure there are the ends that you have tied so they can't slide out. You are going to take the two ends and you are going to slide them through the hole. You want to do them in two different holes so that you can, like two holes side by side, so that you can tie them together. Once you have them tied through, you are going to take the tie and you're going to tie it, and you want to make sure that they are pretty tight so that they don't slide off. So now you have your first pom-pom on. Now you just want to take any color that you have and tie it anywhere on the rug mat that you want. Once you have your desired shape, if you want a circle and you have a square mat like I do, you just want to cut around the edge of the pom-poms. So let's get on to making the rest of the rug. So I finally finished my rug, and I was just going to show you what to do after you have it shaped and have it all tied on. And just going to tell you, this project did take a good amount of time, so if you have a good amount of free time, then I would definitely recommend doing this. So once you have your shape made, you're going to want to flip over and cut off the edges before you, cut out the shape that you're using. You want to make sure that you don't cut off way too much, just to where there's just a little bit hanging off. So I'm going to cut all those. Now that you have cut off the back ends of your rug, you're going to take your scissors. This is why you need scissors. And you are going to trim around the edge. So I'm starting right here at this blue one. And you're going, make sure you don't cut the pom-pom edges, but cut around the edge of your shape that you want. So if you want like a square rug, cut the square, or if you already filled it in all the way and there's nothing to cut off, then you don't need to cut anything off. But if you did a circle or a shape that was smaller than the shape that you started out with, you will want to cut it so you don't just have extra, whatever this is called, laying around. Once you have it cut, there will be some parts that are little extra hanging off the sides, so you can just cut those off. And if you want your rug to be thicker and you not to be able to see like that on the inside, make sure you fill in the rug very thick with a bunch of pom-poms. see, for me, I have this little bit of space that would just be poking out of the edge that people would be seeing on my rug. So this is the final product. Hope you guys liked this video on how to make a homemade pom-pom rug. Bye.